Hello everyone. Welcome to the live grip mega quiz of grade 6th 2021-22. This is the fifth live quiz that we are having this year. We already had a grip live mega quiz for grade 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th earlier. But this is the last one that we are having that for this year, which is for grade 6th. So guys, here we have the two finalists for this year, and very soon we are going to start with the quiz itself. But before we start, let me tell you a little bit about the GRIP program. So GRIP is an Ask ITN's original program where students from across the globe participate and they undergo different stages of participation. There is a stage one where they undergo different, they perform various activities. They are tested on the basis of various quizzes, and some super papers are also conducted. And out of those thousands of students, a couple of students are selected to go into the second stage, which is the super batch. In super batch, they attend various interesting lectures, which probably these finalists today are also going to tell you about. And then they take a mega paper, and finally they make to this third stage. So the top two people from grade 6 who have made it to this year are with us, who I'm going to introduce with you guys very soon. So here I present the finalists that we have for this year. Let me introduce them first, and then we are going to start. So our first finalist is Jay Deshpande. So Jay, can you come up over here and introduce yourself to us?
Yes. So
Hi Jay. First of all, congratulations. You have made it to this round, and I know you must be feeling excited, a little nervous
yes.
probably, but it's going to go well. Let me tell me. Can you introduce yourself to all the viewers also?
Yeah, my name is Jay Deshpande. I live in Pune, Maharashtra, India. Uh, uh, I study in Paul Public School, Nanded City. I am in 7th D and I am 12 years old. My hobbies are swimming and playing football and so much more.
Okay. That's nice. That's nice. And what do you want to become when you grow up?
I want to means I haven't decided yet.
Haven't decided it
But
yet.
yeah,
Yeah. But you have, I think, some options in your mind. What are they?
computer science.
Computer science engineering.
Yes.
Nice. Okay. And what about your experience with grip this year?
Yeah, it was really nice. I enjoyed a volcano activity, which
Volcano
was in
activity.
the first round.
Okay. What were we supposed to do in that?
We were supposed to means do an activity with means I don't remember, but it was really fun.
Okay. Any other thing that you
Yeah,
recall?
means I liked a Vedic maths session. They were means really helpful to me. Uh,
Okay. Vedic maths session.
yeah.
Fine. Nice. And what other activities did you have?
Means we had chemistry, biology, physics.
Oh,
Means
I.
they were, yeah, the second round sessions.
Okay. Nice. I actually found your submission for the chemistry activity. This is it, right?
Yeah, this is also another one.
So what did we do in this? We created a volcano.
Yeah,
Okay.
this
Oh,
one.
that's nice. So what did you use in this?
I used a tub and a jar and means I I don't remember much now.
Okay. That's nice. It looks we have done some serious stuff here. Nice. Okay. And what are your views on today's mega quiz?
I
How
don't
prepared you feel you are?
nothing.
What? You're not?
Yeah, means I just means yeah I prepared means I read science, maths, and I also means you know pa- remembered all the countries and because of the uh, last
Okay.
means I remember means I watched the last grade 6 sessions.
Yes, in the previous grades, yes.
Yeah.
So on the basis of that, you have
So
prepared something,
yes,
but
and
you must
also
have realized this is something that you cannot prepare for.
yeah means I didn't prepare. I just means memorized it.
Uh, let's see how much it helps. I don't think it is going to help a lot.
Yes.
Okay. So let us see the other finalists also who you are going to compete with today. So guys, this was Jay. the first finalist for this quiz, and the second finalist that we have with us is Ritvik Pandit. So guys, let me introduce you first of all a little bit. Let me tell you about Ritvik. Ritvik has been with us, I think, not Ritvik. And in fact, Ritvik's elder sister, Risha, has been with us earlier, and she has actually qualified for the live mega quiz also last year. Right, Ritvik?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, so his own sister has participated and done really, really good last year. You might find her recordings also on YouTube, on a YouTube channel of Ask Ideans. But now it's time that Ritvik actually has come up and he is going to perform and participate in this. And let's expect him to do really, really well this year. So Ritvik, can you introduce yourself?
Okay, sir. Good evening to one and all. My name is Ritvik, studying in class 7 in International Indian School, Dubai, Saudi Arabia. From India, I am from Mangalore, Karnataka. My hobbies are to play cricket and football, and my aim in life is to become a software engineer.
Okay. You want to become a software engineer, just like Jay.
Yes, sir.
Nice. So you live in Jubil?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell about your experience with GRIP this year?
My experience in GRIP was really well and good. My favorite activity was the chemistry one, where we had to make a volcano by using vinegar, baking soda, some salt, and a jar. First, we had to take the jar and add 3/4 cup of vinegar in it. Then we had to cover the jar with a mountain-like structure made up of soil. When we add the baking soda, the vinegar starts rising, and due to some chemical reaction, the scene looks like a volcanic eruption.
Okay. And what other things you remember from the quiz which you actually enjoyed?
Sir, I enjoyed the maths one, which was about comparing two footballers. Physics one, oil spills, and the biology one was we had to make a rain cloud.
Okay. I have with me your maths submission. Let me present it to everyone. Yeah, so this was your maths submission.
Yes, sir.
So what were we supposed to do in this?
Sir, we had to first of all compare between me and one of the names they had given the football. We had to compare the weeks, like who scored more goals. And then the second activity was we had to take two of our favorite footballers and we had to compare their goals in penalty kicks.
Okay. Nice. It's very nicely presented. I appreciate this. Okay, good. It's interesting. Yeah, and what are your views? How prepared do you feel for this mega quiz this year?
Sir, I am prepared, not that much, but it's like middle, like 50% or 75%.
Guys, when I talk about preparing for mega quiz, it's not actually content-wise preparation. It's mostly psychologically how much are you prepared, because you realize that you have to be in the moment in these quizzes. It's not about how much you recall, because the questions are not subject based or something. It's mostly like how much you know. It's just that how much like you already know and how you can actively answer the questions which are present over here. It's mostly about speed. You might know the answers, but it's also about how fast you can answer them, how fast you recall them.
Yes, sir.
So nice. Good talking to you guys, and congratulations again to both of you that you have made to this stage. And if you guys feel ready, we can start with the quiz also. Shall we start, guys?
Yes.
Jay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So, like I'm just repeating the rules. You guys already know the rules, that you are not going to turn your video or mic off throughout the duration of the quiz. And in case you have any questions, you can ask me. But and all the chat that we are going to have over here, we will have it only in the public chat. Please select public if you have selected private, and everything will be in public chat. Whatever answers you want to give me, any questions that you have, all of those have to be there. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, we are going to start with the first round. The first round is basically about, it's a rapid fire round actually. In this rapid fire round, let me tell you the rules. There will be some mathematical operations that you guys have to conduct. I'll give you guys opportunity one by one. First, I'll be asking questions from one of you. all the questions in a row. There will be total 1 minute of time for each of you. So Jay will be given 1 minute. Ritvik will also be given 1 minute time, and in that 1 minute time, I'll give you some mathematical operations to do, and you have to give me the answer at that instant. Okay. In total 1 minute, there will be 9 questions back to back, which I'll ask, 9 mathematical operations. Whichever you can answer, you have to, but you will always have to answer the first one to move to the next one. So I'll give you time if you're not able to solve a question, but in total 1 minute will be given. So faster you do it, better it is for you. Okay. Plus 5 score will be given to you for every correct answer. So if you are able to answer in that 1 minute 4 questions, you will be given 5 into 4 20 score. Okay. If you are able to solve 8 questions out of 9, you'll be given 8 into 4, which is 8 into 5, which is 40. But if you are able to solve all 9 questions, then in that case, additional 10 score will be given to you. So if you are able to solve all 9 of them, 45 you'll get, but additional 10 also you'll get 55. Okay, so let me repeat the rules again. One of you guys, I'll be giving 1 minute time and 9 questions back to back. Answer to every next question will depend upon the previous one. So you have to answer the previous one to move to the next one. Okay, whatever number of questions you can solve, accordingly, plus 5 score will be given to you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine, guys. So who are we going to start with first? Would you guys like to choose who wants to go with this first? Vivek, Jay?
Okay,
No?
sir, I'll go
Okay.
first.
What?
Sir, I'll go first.
You'll go first. Okay. Great, Ritvik, great. Like, I really like the confidence which you actually come up with and then volunteer to answer the first set. That's really, really good. Okay, so since Ritvik has chosen the first attempt, so we are going to start with it. Ritvik, you'll be given 1 minute back-to-back questions, 9 questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so let me know when you're ready. We will start.
Yeah, I'm ready.
You ready? Okay. So we are starting with the first one, the first set, which has been chosen by Ritvik. And Ritvik, the first question in this set is, what do you get on adding these?
Sir, 81.
That's correct. Then the answer you have to multiply by 3.
Sir, 243.
Sorry?
Sir, 243.
Correct. Subtract 45 from that.
Sir, 198. 198.
Correct. And the time is up. So Ritvik, you have solved 3 questions. So that gives you a score of plus 15. 5 into 3. That's good. That's not bad. Okay. So that was Ritvik's attempt. Now, Jay, should we move to you now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. So guys, for Jay, we are moving to the second set now. Okay, Jay. So let's start. Fine. 3, 2, 1. Your first question is this.
Sir, 82?
No, that's not right.
83.
Correct. Multiplied by 5.
415.
Divided by 5.
83.
Multiplied by 7.
581.
Subtract 35. Time's up, Jay. Okay, so Jay has answered 4 questions, right? So, guys, that's very, very close. Both of you, like, just one question's difference is there. So, in this round, Ritvik has answered 3 questions correct. So, he gets 5 into 3, which is 15 score in total. And Jay, since he has answered 4 questions, Jay gets a 20 score for this. Okay, that's very, very close, guys. Not an issue. But how did you guys find this, Ritvik?
I calculated everything.
Sorry, you calculated?
Yes, sir. Mind calculation and calculation.
It, like, I really appreciate that you went for the first set. That's really, really good. And with that, you're able to get 3 of them right. Appreciable. And Jay, of course, you had the idea how it's going to go, and of course, you were able to answer 4 questions. That also is good.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. So plus 15 score for Ritvik and plus 20 score for Jay. And that concludes the first round of this quiz, which is just the first out of the 4 rounds we have. And with this, I won't say 5 score difference is even considerable much, because you must have seen the previous ones. The score goes up to 200 also sometimes. So this probably is going to be negligible. I would say mostly you guys are very, very close right now. So let's look at the scoreboard once, what the current scores are. Pretty simple. Ritvik has scored 15, Jay has scored 20. 5-mark lead, not much of a difference, but there are 3 more rounds to go, which is actually going to decide. Okay. So with this, shall we move to the next round, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's move to the next round, which is how sharp is your memory? So this round is going to be basically a buzzer kind of a round. So let me tell you the rules of this round. Here, guys, there are going to be 8 images that I'm going to show to you. And for each image, for each question, I'll give you 10 seconds in total. Just 10 seconds. But I guess it should be sufficient. It's a buzzer round. So in replacement of buzzer, you guys are going to type the letters in the chat. Uppercase, lowercase does not matter, but it should be complete IN in the chat. So whoever wants to attempt it first should type IN, but only if you know the answer. Do not type IN if you do not know the answer. If I ask instantly, you're not able to answer, you lose the marks. Okay. If you answer it correctly, if you are the first one to attempt it and you answer it correctly, you will be getting a plus 20 score. But if you attempt it, you're not able to get it, it's fine. No negative score for that as such. But then the second person who sent IN will be given the opportunity and he gets a score of plus 50. Okay. So if you're the first person to type IN and answer it correctly, you get 20. If the first person does not answer correctly, second one to answer correctly will be plus 50. Okay. Are the rules clear to Jay, Ritvik, both of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any questions?
No,
You
sir.
wanna breathe a little bit, or it's fine? Shall we start? Shall we start with the second round of this quiz?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, as I said, I'm going to flash the image for 10 seconds, and whoever wants to attempt it first should type in the words IN and send it in the chat. Okay. So we are having round 2, question 1 first. Okay. Please select everyone in the chat. Private answers won't be accepted.
Sir, have you shifted the screen to round 2 because I'm not
Sorry?
Have you shifted the screen to round 2 because I'm not getting? I'm still getting rules.
No. I'm showing you the rules right now. Can you see?
Oh, okay. Yes,
Ah.
I'm seeing it.
Okay. So let's start, guys. The first question for the second round over here is this. Jay, what's the answer?
Running.
Running is not a sport. Ritvik?
Sir, tennis.
Yeah, running is an activity. Tennis is a sport. But unfortunately, Ritvik, uh, you sent IN a bit late, later than 10 seconds actually. So you won't be given the score. Okay, but you got it right. And running is mostly an activity. It's not a sport that you consider, right? Sprint is what you can consider a sport. So yeah, but that's a good attempt. It actually fits in running in this case. Running, does it fit? Double N ing. No, running doesn't even fit in this. Oh,
Yeah.
it does not. But Ritu attempted it right, but was a bit late. So you won't be getting the score for this. Oh, that's fine. Good attempt, guys. I think you got how it works. There are 7 more questions to go. Shall we move to the second question then?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, the second question for this second round is this. Guys, time's up. No guesses? Ritvik, Jay Deshpande, can you guys guess now? Although time is up, but still, if you guys want to take any guess, any answer.
Yes, sir.
Oh, not able to guess it.
Yeah.
Okay. Should I tell the answer?
Yes.
Guys, it's Nissan.
Can you repeat?
Nissan. NISS.
Yes.
No, fine. No worries. 2 questions are gone. 6 more questions to go. Shall we move to the third question now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So the third question that we have is this. Okay. This one was a bit difficult one. Anyone? Jay, what's your answer?
Uh, in no. Sorry, no. It's
No,
not.
no.
No.
Oh, this is not allowed. If you do not have any guess, you cannot type IN.
So
But
sorry.
anyways, you typed it IN after the 10 seconds, so that's fine.
Oh,
Okay.
I mistakenly means touched the enter button, and so that's why.
Acha, acha, acha. Okay. So, do you guys not know any popular moon of Jupiter?
No, sir.
Oh, guys, it's Europa. 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 Like in the name of Europe, there's Europa. Because Europa is basically some goddess in some Greek culture. On the basis of in the name of that, it is mentioned.
Yes, I know
It is
that.
named so. Okay, fine, guys. So 3 questions are gone, but 5 questions are still to go in this. But neither Jay nor Ritvik has been able to score anything out of this round till now. Okay, so let's move to the fourth question then. Fingers on the letters IN. And we are moving to the fourth question now. And guys, the question is this. Time's up. Guys, do you recall any capital city which has N and D as the third and fourth letter?
No, sir.
Not able to? Come on, guys, it's easy. It's a very, very famous capital city, one of the most popular, I should say, countries in the entire world.
Sir, London.
Yes, London is the answer. Oh, but you are very, very late in recalling this. Okay, okay, okay. Chalo, fine. although you have answered it, you have guessed it, Ritvik, but you do not get any score for this. So till now, half of the second round is over and nobody gets any score till now. Okay. So we'll now move to the second half of the second round, which is the fifth question. Are we guys ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, the fifth question we have is this. Ritvik.
Sir, Iron Man?
Ah, that's correct. Jay, did you guess this?
No.
Okay. So guys, Ritvik gets a plus 20 for this. He's the first person to answer this and gets it right also. Nice, Ritvik. Okay. Are there any superheroes which fit into this?
No, sir.
Okay, even I don't get any. No, that's fine. So Ritvik has got a plus 20 score. So till now, earlier, Ritvik was 5 points behind, but now he is 15 points ahead, till now at least. So let's move to the sixth question of this round now. The next question is this. Time's up. Any guesses? Okay, let me give you the answer now. It's Snapchat. You guys have heard of Snapchat, right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, didn't strike you. What were you guys thinking?
Sir, I was thinking everything. Like,
Except Snapchat.
yeah, sir.
Okay. What all things came to your mind? What all social media
Sir,
platforms?
Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp, everything.
Okay. Just not Snapchat. Jay, what about you?
No, sir, I didn't get any of.
Okay. So guys, let's move to the seventh question then. There are total 8 questions. Seventh question we have is this. Jay.
Buddhism?
Ah, that's correct. And you answered it just on the 9th second. So that's really good. You sent IN on the 9th second exactly. Nice. I was thinking you're going to skip it. You guys are not going to get score. So yes, Buddhism actually fits over here. Nice, Jay. So Jay also gets a plus 20 score from this. He saves his lead back. But anyways, last question of this round is still to go. So let's see if we are able to answer that one. Are you guys ready? Jay, Ritvik?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So the last question of second round, and you have 10 seconds to answer this. It is this. Ritvik.
Sir, Adidas?
Ah, correct. You know, let me tell the viewers, Jay and Ritvik sent it almost at the same second. You guys can see. As soon as I got Ritvik's in, I received Jay's in. But yeah, someone had to answer it a microsecond earlier, and that turned out to be Ritvik. So Ritvik again takes the lead, and Ritvik has got a score of plus 20 from this question. So in all, Ritvik has taken plus 40 score from this, and Jay has taken plus 20 score from this. Nice, guys. Nice performance. So that was interesting. Like in the beginning, in the first 4 questions, it was very difficult. I think comparatively because you did not have much idea. Also, I think it was very new to you. But as you got accustomed to this, out of the last 4 questions, you answered 3 questions. That's really nice. And now with this, let's look at the final scores. Let me share the scoreboard now. So in this particular round, uh, Ritvik has scored 40 and Jay has scored 20. So in total, Ritvik's score has become 55 and Jay's score has become 40. So a difference of, again, a small difference of 15 points is there. You can see that score difference of 5 did not matter much. 15 also is going to be eligible. When you're going to move to interesting questions of the third and fourth round, which are going to be some image-based questions. So we're going to see what that is. But for now, Ritvik is taking a small lead compared to Jay. Okay. So now we are moving to the third round, in which, guys, I'm going to share two sets of images to you, and time to see each image will be 15 seconds. So you'll have 15 seconds in total to see images and remember them. Now, this is also going to be a buzzer kind of round. Then on the basis of each image, I'm going to ask you two questions. Whoever wants to answer it first can send IN, just like you did in the previous round. If you're the first person to send IN, you get it right, you get plus 20. If you're the second person to answer it, get it right. If the first person could not answer and you're the second person to answer, you get plus 50. Okay, rules stay the same. The round structure is a bit different. I'm going to flash two images in front of you, not at the same time. First, I'll show you one image. I'm going to ask two questions on the basis of it. Then after that, we'll move to next question, next image, and two questions. Is that clear? Any questions, guys? All clear?
Yes, sir.
Are we ready for it?
Yes, sir.
You guys want to drink water? You can. Okay, shall we start then?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are moving to round 3. So I'm going to flash an image for 15 seconds, and then right after that, I'm going to show you the question. Okay. So guys, your time for the first image starts now. You have to memorize it, not write it. So the first question is this. Jay?
T.
No. Ritwik?
Sir, E.
Sorry?
E.
No, that's not right. So none of you can answer this question correctly. Let us see what the image was and what the answer is. Here they're asking 3 of the words begin with same letter. Which letter is it? So guys, what are those 3 words which begin with the same letter?
Sir, M. Milk.
M. Mouse, moat, and milk. That's like, writing was a very, very bad strategy. In fact, not just that it was not a part of the rules, but in fact you are going to waste a lot of time if you start writing it. Okay, so with this, let's move to the second question based on this. So guys, the second question is this. Jay?
Rat.
Sorry?
A rat. R-A-T.
No, that's not right. Ritvik?
Sir, I.
Yes, that's correct. I. So I was a word over here. The only 3-letter word. Rat was not even over here. Asa, you I think remember in the mouse, you I think recalled as rat. Okay. Interesting. So in this round, guys, Ritvik was the second person to answer this, and he gets a score because of this of plus 15. So in the first image that we have shown, this one, Jay does not get any score. Ritvik gets additional plus 15 now. Okay, so How was this image, guys? Difficult, easy, fine? Maybe we could have changed the strategy or what? No comments.
No, sir, it was a little easy.
Yeah, it was.
Little easy.
Yes, a little easy.
Okay. Nice, nice. Chalo. So let us move to the second image then. So this image I'm going to flash for again 15 seconds. Try to remember this. Then I'll ask you two questions, one after the other. So the second image over here is this. What's the answer to this? Ritvik?
Sir, it was blue.
Correct. So Ritvik gets plus 20 from this. So guys, I'm going to show that image again for 15 seconds. And then I'll ask the second question. What letter does red box contain? Double type IN. Jay?
Sir, D.
Yeah, that's right. So Jay also is the first person to answer this. He gets a plus 20 from this. So this round, you guys got a lot of score in. So like Jay has answered the second question in the second picture. So in total, he has got a score of plus 20 from this. And Ritvik has answered two questions. In the first picture of second question of the first picture, he gets plus 15. And in the second picture of first question, he gets plus 20. So in all, Ritvik takes away 35 score from this and Jay takes away 20 score from this. So I think that brings Ritvik to a little more lead, but that's fine. Again, difference is not going to be much. We're going to see because we still have the fourth round to go. But what was your strategy, Jay?
Nothing, sir. I just memorized it.
Okay.
And I just written short forms of means the letters.
Okay. And Ritvik, what about you?
Sir, I wrote two words, then I thought I'll memorize them, so I memorized and I kept them in mind.
Yes. I think remembering stuff is a better strategy at this in this stage than actually making notes here. That's going to waste a lot of time of yours also. Because only 15 seconds. 15 seconds are given so that you do not have sufficient time to make notes or anything, and you just can look at it and remember it in your mind. So anyways, since this is also done, we can have a look at the final scores for the after the third round. Let me present it, guys. So from this round, as I mentioned earlier, Ritvik has scored plus 35 and Jay has scored 20. So in total, that brings Ritvik to a little larger lead now, which is of 90 score, and Jay is at 60. So it's a difference of 30 score right now. But if you have seen, guys, the previous Grip Mega quizzes, you must have realized how tables turn at the end very easily. So something like that may also happen. Let's see, because this 30 score is also not much of a difference because again, there are a lot of scores to take away from the last round we have. So shall we start with the fourth round, guys? The fourth and the last round of this mega quiz.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we are moving to the round 4 now, which is mental master. And let's see what is going to happen in this. This also will be attempted the same way. But this time, guys, I'm going to ask you in total 3 questions. And to attempt every question, you will be given 10 seconds only. Again, it's a buzzer kind of a round. If you want to answer, type IN. If you are the first person to answer it, you get plus 20. If you're the second person, you get plus 50. Okay, so I'll ask 3 questions, one after the other. 10 seconds will be given in total. Let's see who answers them first correctly. Okay, shall we start with it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jay, ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, the question that we have is this. Which country is this in? Time up, guys. Can you guys guess which wonder of the world it is?
Sir, is it from USA?
No, it's not from USA. Jay, any ideas?
No, sir.
Okay. That's Chichen Itza. It's from Mexico, actually. Did you guys know about it?
No, sir.
Okay. No worries. First question is gone. We have two more questions to go, guys. Two more questions. And this is going to decide basically what the final rankings of grade mega quiz is going to be for grade 6th. Okay, let's move to the second question then. So guys, the next question that we have, which I'm going to flash for 10 seconds, is this. The Jen.
Sir, Indian Space Research Organization.
That's correct. Ritvik, what was your answer?
The Indian Space Research Organization.
Yeah, that's correct. So fine. So both of you knew the answer, and to the viewers, let me tell you, both of them sent the answer almost at the same instant. But again, since Jay sent it a little earlier, he gets a score of plus 20 from this. So Jay gets plus 20 from this, and now the lead remains only of 10 points. Currently, the score of Ritvik is 90 and Jay's score is 80. And in the next question, there are 3 points possible, 20, 15 or 0. So the last question is finally going to decide everything. If you answer it or if you do not answer it, if you answer it correctly or you don't. So should we move to the last question?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How do you guys feel?
I don't. It means.
It's fine, Jay. Okay, nice. Ritik?
Sir, it's fine.
Okay. So shall we move to the third and last question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So the third and last question of this whole quiz is this. Ritvik?
Sir, jellyfish?
That's correct. Okay, so Ritvik answered this question instantly and he gets a score of plus 20. So guys, really well played. But in the end, Jay gets from this round plus 20. Jay was about to take the lead, but then Ritvik also answered it in the end. Plus 20 he also gets. So both get plus 20 and we know the final scores. Let us look at them. Very well played, guys. Maybe in the beginning we could have been a bit faster, but it's fine. I think what I noticed is in the entire quiz, in the first 2-3 questions you were always never able to answer, but in the last both of you were answering almost equally. That's good. So there's a difference of just 30 score, but Ritvik final score is 110 and Jay's final score is 80. Small difference, but this is the final ranking. Jay comes second in this live mega quiz and Ritvik comes first. So congratulations to both of you, Jay, Ritvik.
Thank you.
How was your experience finally? Let's start with Ritvik.
Sir, it was really good. Like, I can't imagine I won this. First of all, I didn't even think I'll come to live mega quiz. Like, I won this. I'm so happy. Like, I'm super excited.
Okay. Congratulations. You did really well. In fact, I saw your activity submissions. All it was really good.
Thank you, sir.
Nice, Ritvik. Jay, what about your experience with this quiz?
Nice. Really nice.
You don't seem
I
very
really
happy.
enjoyed it.
Yeah,
Huh?
you enjoyed it?
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Okay.
Means
Nice. Even I enjoyed it, to be honest. I loved
in every
attending this.
in every round I was coming third only.
In sorry,
In every round I was coming in third place.
in third place.
Yeah, means there were so many chances. Means
Oh, okay. Yeah. Nice. But you really played well. Like in the end, guys, if I would see in the first round, Jay had a little bit of lead. But then when we moved to that round of filling the letters to make the word, there, Ritvik, there onwards, Ritvik started taking a lead. So he had plus 40, Jay had plus 20. But then in the picture round again, uh, Ritvik had a little higher score, and difference was always a little small, like 10, 15 marks only. And then in the end, for fourth round, both of you got equally, but that is what made the difference. So guys, loved having this quiz with you, and you guys, congratulations! You both of you guys are going to get prize. We are going to declare that on our social media platform. Check it on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Also, we're going to declare it in what the final prizes are, and that's it from my side. And again, congratulations and thank you everyone who are watching this also. These are the finalists that we have. Okay, Jayatvik, thank you so much for participating. You can participate next year also and hope to make it to the live mega quiz next year also and probably get first, second or third positions again. Okay, bye.